Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Noggin app on your Amazon tablet. So in the first tab, open your web browser, then type in the search bar Noggin app, APK, sorry. Now choose one of the sites. Remember, we are downloading from unofficial store, so you're making it on their own risk. Probably you can download the same app in the App Store, but I have a problem with that application on my tablet, so I have to download from unofficial store. Okay, now just we have to look for the download APK button and close that. Now tap on the OK to start the downloading process. Tap on the app and choose install. Okay, we're done, so we can tap on the open to launch this application. And that's it, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.